Srimati Agatha Sangma ji.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Chairman, sir. I had submitted for an adjournment motion, but I'm thanking you.
Please come to the text.
Yes, sir. So on the 4th of December, a very unfortunate and condemnable incident took place in the village of Oting in the Man district in Nagaland, where about 14 civilians were shot dead by the armed forces in a so-called counterinsurgency operation. So this is not the first time that an incident like this has taken place where innocent civilians have had to bear the brunt of the draconian laws like the Armed Forces Special Powers Act. It also reminds us of an incident that took place in Manipur in 2000 in Imphal, which is also known as the Malom massacre, where over 10 civilians were shot dead, and it prompted a 28-year-old Irom Sharmila to go on a 16-year-long hunger strike. So yesterday, various political leaders across party lines spoke about this issue and condemned it. Even the Home Minister gave a statement regarding this incident. He informed the House that an SIT will be constituted in order to probe this issue. But I also believe, sir, that it is time that the elephant in the room be addressed, which is that the Armed Forces Special Powers Act be repealed.
Thank you. So,
Sir, please give me 30 seconds. It's a very, very important issue. Sir, I would like to quote a poem by Maya Angelou, just one line. I quote, I come as one, but I stand as 10,000. So this incident has been condemned by every possible student union from the Northeast, be it the Lotha Student Union, the Khasi Student Union, Northeast Student Union, Naga Mothers Association, Manipur Women's Gun Survivors Network Global, Alliance of Indigenous People. My own political party, the NPP, has condemned it, including our Chief Minister. Sir,
please conclude. No?
Sir, just one more. So even the Jeevan Reddy Committee had, it had recommended that this act be scrapped. And therefore, sir, on those lines, I would like to say that, ever since in the Northeast, there have been procedures where the armed forces within themselves can address these issues, and a lot of prosecutions have taken place.
Madam, 30 seconds is already over.
Sir, please, just one more minute, one more second. So, sir, I would just like to say that the reason why Afspa was enacted in 1958 was to ensure that insurgency be stopped in Northeast, but it has not been able to do that. We can clearly see that insurgency has not been helped because of the enactment of Afspa, and therefore, instead what it has done is it has caused civilians to be unfairly tortured, raped, and killed. And therefore, I take this opportunity, sir, not just on behalf of my party, the National People's Party, but also on behalf of the people of Northeast, that this act be kindly repealed.
Thank you.